Decisions! Today we're talking about a big question that a lot of homeowners are asking us right now. Should I renovate my current home or sell it and buy a new one?
Let's dive right in. Let's talk numbers. With home prices and interest rates the way they are, it's not a simple decision. On Long Island, the average cost to buy a new home in a desirable area can be upwards of $900,000 or more. And that's before a renovation.
Meanwhile, a renovation, let's say new kitchen, bathrooms, floors, maybe open up a few walls, can run anywhere from $200,000 all the way up to $400,000 or more, depending on the size and the scope of your project.
And let's not forget the extra costs that come with moving. Closing costs, moving fees, property taxes, and possibly a higher monthly mortgage rate, which means higher monthly costs.
Now let's talk about when renovating makes sense. Renovating is usually the smarter move if you love your neighborhood, you have the space to expand or improve, or like 91% of the country, you're sitting on a low mortgage rate, under 5%.
Here at My Boys, we've helped tons of families stay in their dream location. Schools, commute, the works, just by updating their space to fit their lifestyle.
Now let's dive into when it might be time to make the move. Moving can make sense if your home can't be expanded, you're ready for a big lifestyle change, or if you want to be in a different town with a different school district.
And sometimes it's just about convenience. Renovations take time. And let's face it, living through construction is not for everyone.
From a financial perspective, renovating usually gives you a better value per dollar spent, and you avoid today's high home prices and mortgage rates.
But in the end, it really comes down to your goals. We always say, don't just look at cost. Look at your lifestyle, timing, and the long-term value.
Still weighing your options? Give us a call. We're happy to look at your current home, give you some feedback, and let you know what's possible.
And if moving really is the right choice, at least you'll know you explored all your options the smart way.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your renovation questions in the comments below. See you next time.